Hey guys, it's Chris Janson here. Isn't the fall beautiful right here in our great state of Tennessee? I know it is. I'm out in this weather every day and it's awesome. Next month is the 3rd annual No Trash November. That means every time you see a piece of junk on the side of the road, in the rivers, the streams, the forest, or the field, please pick it up and join us. It's a great cleanup effort for our state. I'm hoping you can take the time to clean up our state locally, everywhere you live, in your small town or your big city. Last year alone, over 1,000 volunteers here in the great state of Tennessee picked up over 48,000 pounds. That's a lot of trash right here from the rivers, the streams, the fields, and the roadways. Please join us at nobodytrashestennessee.com and join this great cause. It's really simple. All you got to do is pick it up when you see it. If you see trash laying around, pick it up. We're going to beat that number big time this year, and I'm proud to join Nobody Trashes Tennessee. I hope you will too. nobodytrashestennessee.com for more details and information. You can find an event calendar locally, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.